4xe and my Shadow in Grand Cherokee, which I think is the only thing that comes with 4xe. I don't know. I've looked that up. But today we start in the back. And wiper time. Watch this. We put the tape measure down. And this one's actually pretty simple. Take it and you really put a curve on it. Actually, look at this. Look at this. Needs to be replaced already. Look at this thing. Look. Look at this. Look, what year is this truck? This is like a 24. Look at this. No one ever uses the back wiper. What the Okay, let's measure this thing. Let's put it back on. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so do not let go of this. If you do, you might smash your window. And don't blame me. I already warned you, don't do it. So you want to put it on an angle. So it's sort of two ways to lock it in. You want to get it in the groove, right? That's what we want to see. And then pull until it snaps into place. Oh my god, this thing's gotta be, hold on. Hey, we're the junkies. It's a 12-incher. So let's go to the front, which is a 25/26. Now, let me show you how to get this puppy off. All right, it's a kitten. All right. All right, unlock and slide. See that? Done. Pull it out. See? Pulled it out. Put it right back in with the new one, of course. Line her up. Do not smash your windshield. See? Did you get that the first time? Let's see. Do that again. We're gonna unlock her again. Come on, Bubby. Wait, these are already replaced? Oh my god, these are already replaced. That's hilarious. What year is this thing, dude? Mitsuba? This has got to be Amazon. Factory usually has a QR code on it. This is ridiculous. How fast do wipers go nowadays? This thing only has 40,000 miles on it. Well, I guess maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Let's put this guy back. Line it up in the channel. Slide forward to lock it into place so you can lock down the door. There you go. There's that one. There's the driver's side. Now let's go to the passenger side, which is a 20-incher. Same thing. Door, trap door, slide, pull out. Yeah, you can tell these are aftermarket because of how hard they take the slide out of the actual arm. You see, you sort of put some leverage toward it and turn it. Yeah, these are definitely Amazon. Look, 40,000 miles. I think needs some new wipers. There you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.